Hello, curious minds. Welcome to our channel. Today we're unraveling the secrets of neurons, the tiny but mighty cells that make our nervous system tick. First things first. What are neurons? Well, they're the brain's messengers. Imagine them as tiny couriers zipping through your body, delivering crucial information. Neurons come in different flavors: sensory, motor, and interneurons. Each has a unique role in this grand communication network. Let's dissect a neuron. It has several parts. Dendrites. These tree-like branches receive signals from other neurons or sensory receptors. Cell body, soma, the neuron's control center where decisions are made. Axon, a long cable that transmits signals away from the cell body. Axon terminals, the neuron's endpoints, where it communicates with other neurons. Now here's the magic. Neurons communicate at synapses. Picture a tiny gap between two neurons, the synaptic cleft. When an electrical signal, action potential, reaches the axon terminal, it releases neurotransmitters into the cleft. These chemicals bridge the gap and excite the next neuron. Meet the sensory neurons. They're like the body's reporters. When you touch something hot, sensory neurons shout, "Danger!" These neurons send signals to the central nervous system, CNS, where the brain processes the info. Next up, motor neurons. They're the action heroes. When your brain says, "Move that arm," motor neurons swing into action. They carry commands from the CNS to muscles, making you dance, run, or high-five. Now, the unsung heroes, interneurons. They're like architects designing neural circuits. They process info locally, making split-second decisions. Think reflexes, like pulling your hand off that hot stove. So next time you marvel at your brain's brilliance, remember the neurons working tirelessly behind the scenes. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-boggling science. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.